So, if you're running a liquor business, you know it's just not enough anymore to have the best selection on your shelves. Nope. The real challenge today is getting that amazing selection into your customers' hands wherever they happen to be. A digital storefront? It isn't a nice to have anymore. It's absolutely essential for survival and for growth. Which means you've got to ask yourself a tough question. Are you really meeting your customers where they are right now? Or are you kind of watching from the sidelines as this whole market just shifts online, potentially leaving your business in the dust? Okay, let's dive into that because what's happening here isn't just some passing trend. This is a fundamental, ground-up shift in what people expect from pretty much any business they deal with. See, your customers today, they're playing by a whole new rule book. They want convenience, like I want it now convenience, right from their phone. They expect fast, reliable delivery, and they demand secure, super simple payment options. And look, this isn't some nice-to-have wish list. This is the new price of entry for doing business. Now, let's flip the coin. We've talked about the customer, but let's talk about you, the business owner. If you're still running things the old-fashioned way, I'm willing to bet some of these daily headaches are going to sound really familiar. You could have the best shop in the entire neighborhood, but you know what? Your market is literally trapped inside your four walls. Your growth potential has a ceiling, and that ceiling is your front door. And taking orders? Oh, man. You're juggling phone calls. You're trying to hear someone over all the noise in the shop. You're scribbling down details. I mean, it is a recipe for disaster, right? For mix-ups, delays, and honestly, for pretty unhappy customers. It's just chaos. And then, the inventory dance. We've all been there. It's a Friday night rush, the place is packed, and the absolute last thing you want to do is tell a customer you're out of something, or waste time running to the back to check. It's just a massive, inefficient headache. And when you just lay it all out side by side like this, wow, the contrast is it's stark. Look at that left column. That's the old way, right? Limited reach, constant confusion, stock issues, and just slow, painful growth. Now look to the right. That's the digital path, a huge new market, streamlined processes, and a business that can actually scale. The difference is truly night and day. So the big question is, how do you get from that messy column on the left to that clean, scalable one on the right? Well, it all starts with one single, powerful move. Let's walk through what that transformation actually looks like. Imagine that owner we were just talking about, the one stuck inside their own four walls. They decide to do one thing. They launch their very own liquor delivery app. And just like that, poof, their entire inventory is now in the pocket of every single potential customer across the city. And the results? Well, they're pretty much immediate and they are huge. Orders start pouring in from people who've never even set foot in the physical store. Those chaotic phone calls, gone, replaced by a smooth, automated system. What was once just a local shop isn't just surviving anymore, it's transforming. It's becoming a real, modern, scalable brand that's ready for whatever comes next. Now, a transformation like that doesn't just happen by magic, right? It takes the right tools and the right expertise. And that, right there, is where a partner like Goteso steps in. They're the ones who build the engine that powers this whole business pivot. And what's so important to understand is that this isn't just some app. It's a complete, all-in-one ecosystem. You get a beautiful, easy-to-use app for your customers. You get a separate app for your delivery drivers that has live tracking. You get a panel for your store to manage inventory and orders. And you get a master dashboard that gives you complete control over the whole operation. And the platform is just packed with features that are designed for one thing, real-world growth. You've got built-in age verification, so you're always compliant, secure payments, so customers trust you right away, and things like loyalty programs to turn those one-time buyers into regulars. Plus, you get powerful analytics that let you make decisions based on data, not just gut feelings. Okay, so let's zoom out for a second and bring this all home. When you look at the big picture, it's so clear why going digital isn't a maybe anymore. It's literally how you win the game today. I mean, think of an app as the new engine for your business. It drives more orders, it shatters the limits of your physical location, and it gives customers that convenience they crave. But internally, it helps you manage everything better, it cuts down on costly mistakes, and maybe most importantly, it keeps you way ahead of the competition. And really, if you only take one single thing away from all of this, let it be this. This is the golden rule of modern business. The companies that make their customers' lives easier are the ones that are going to thrive. It really is that simple. And that's exactly what Gotenso does. They are specialists in delivering that convenience. So it doesn't matter if you're a single shop just starting out, an established retailer, or a huge enterprise, they know how to build the exact platform you need to come out on top. So it all comes down to this one last question. What does the future of your business look like? Are you ready to stop being just a local shop and start building a modern digital brand that can grow, scale, and flat out win in today's on-demand world?